Hey everyone, welcome back to Norma's Beauty Corner. I hope you are doing well today. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing 3 eyeshadow palettes from Revolution Pro, and it's these 3 gorgeous palettes. So we're going to review the product, we're going to do some swatches, and then I'll do a makeup look and give you my final thoughts on the product. So if you're interested in that, stick around. All right, so let's start the video. So I ended up buying these gorgeous palettes. Look how gorgeous they are. I ended up buying them at revolutionbeauty.com website. And each one of these was $15, and they currently still are $15 on their website. So they have 6, but I ended up buying 3. This is my first time ever trying any of their products, so I'm a cautious buyer. I like to kind of try out products, and if I like them, then I'll go back for some more. So the 3 that I bought are the, this one is called Diamond and Pearls. This one here is called So Jaded. And this one here is called Hidden Jewels. So the packaging is beautiful in gold, but I'll take them out so that you can see them. So this first one we're taking out is the Diamond and Pearls. Look how gorgeous that packaging is. So it's shimmery nudes in this one. And I'll give you guys a quick look here. Look how pretty these are. So these are shimmery nudes. Yeah. So they're they do have some mattes here. They sort of describe them as glycerin gold pigments and matte browns. So the next one we're going to look at is So Jaded. Look at this one. It's got little diamonds on it. So this one is luxuriant or luxury greens. Yeah, and so these are described as gorgeous green shimmer and matte pigments. So it's also got like a gleaming gold, if you see it up there on the top left. And this last one is the Hidden Jewels. Look how pretty that is. So this one here features deep purples, shimmers, lilac hues, and pearl pigments. Very pretty. So they're describing the packaging on this one as black onyx stones and iridescent crystals. Yeah, these are all very pretty. So let me give you guys some swatches. So the first one we're going to swatch is the Diamond and Pearls. These right here. So guys, look at these. If you can see them here. It's just these 4. Very pretty. So let's start off with this first one. Wow, look at that. Pretty nice. Yeah, liking these too. Beautiful. So now I'm going to swatch the So Jaded. And please keep in mind, none of these have names on them. No, it's just the palette name itself. So this one's So Jaded. Put these right here. These are beautiful. Look at that. So, wow, they're creamy too. Pretty nice. So we're going to swatch the last one, Hidden Jewels, which is this purple one here. Okay. They're nice. So the eyeshadows did swatch decently nice. So let's put the eyeshadows to the test and see how they perform on a makeup look. And then I'll let you know my thoughts as I'm putting them on and give you my final thoughts. So if you're ready, let's go. Okay, so we're going to be using the jeweled eyeshadow case here, this one. And the colors, we're using this one here sort of as a transition outer corner eye. I'll be using this one on the lid, this one on the inner corner, and this one is a brow highlighter. Wow, this picked up a lot of color. Pretty pigmented for sure. Wow. I think it picked up a lot just with one swipe. So I'm gonna have to really blend this out to kind of tone down the color. It's really pigmented, which is a good thing. So now I'm going in with purple color on my lid. Wow. These are very pigmented. I like that. I don't have to work hard to build up the color. And they feel pretty smooth too. Soft. Like they just glide. So I'm using the light blue or light purple color on the inner corner. Wow, even this is very pigmented. Very nice. These eyeshadows are creamy. Well, I mean, not in a sense like wet cream, but they're smooth. Very smooth. So now I'm going to put the brow color, which is that white one. So now I'm going to put some purple on my bottom line, waterline. So I'll be back with a completed look. Hi guys, so I'm back with a completed look. What can I say? I am not disappointed at all. So this is my first time trying Revolution Pro's products. And I based it off just on packaging because I'm a sucker for packaging. And the colors looked very nice. So I ended up buying the 3, and I'm telling you, the quality in these eyeshadows are very nice. They're soft, and you pick up a little bit, and it goes a long way. I mean, as you saw on the makeup look, when I put on the transition color, I was actually kind of wondering how I was going to try to blend that out to kind of lighten up the transition color. So I picked up a lot. So that speaks volume to me. So I am liking their palette, which makes me wonder about their other palettes. I wonder if they're just as good as these. So yeah, I think I'm going to be trying out some of their other palettes. So yeah. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you guys. Use the mist, the Fix Plus mist. Use it. It didn't occur to me to use it when I was filming and putting them on, showing you. It only occurred after the fact. And yeah, try the Fix Plus on all of the shadows. I mean, look how vibrant they came out. They're very nice. It really intensifies the color. So if you're a fanatic for eyeshadows like I am, you're not going to be disappointed. You're going to like these. So yeah, that concludes my review on these products. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I like doing videos like this, product reviews, giving you insights to the product, and then click the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And if you did like this review, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out. So until then, I'll see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.